What is up, guys? We're back on site today taking a look at the roof. We finally got the roof finished up on the South Coast home. Just want to take a couple minutes, tell you about what we did there. So obviously it's a shingle roof on the front porches, the front porch and the front entryway. We're going to do a metal roof detail on those just to sort of mix up the texture a little bit. That hasn't been completed yet, but all of the shingles are on the house. The shingles look good. I wanted to tell you about the underlayment system we're running. So we decided to go with 2 layers of underlayment. The first layer on top of the zip sheathing is a peel and stick. This is a granular surface peel and stick. They got that put on, and then on top of that peel and stick we did a synthetic roof felt, basically replacing the old school tar paper. Tar paper is not really used these days. I didn't know that until we were getting this roof done. But so we have 2 underlayments and then those shingles on top of that. Why would you have 2 underlayments, you may ask? Well, there's a good call on our builder's part. They made that call and I'm glad they did. So a couple things. One, here on the South Coast we're very prone to hurricanes. Those hurricanes blow in during the summertime, towards the end of summer, all throughout the year really. We've even had some as late as November, which is odd. But those storms will roll in and they have a tendency of taking shingles off of roofs, even the hurricane rated shingles. So first reason for the dual underlayments is in case of a hurricane, those shingles get ripped off the roof, you have an extra layer of protection between the rain, the wind-driven rain outside, and your home inside. Second aspect of doing 2 underlayments is when it comes time to replace this roof, the way these shingle roofs are replaced is the old shingles are scraped off, pried off, and basically just ripped off of your existing roof. And we really want to make sure that the zip system water weather barrier doesn't get damaged in that roof replacement process. So having the peel and stick as well as that synthetic underlayment, that synthetic felt, is going to give us an extra layer of protection as those guys are pulling the old shingles off way out in the future. And hopefully it'll save us some trouble down the line. So let's take a look around the roof, take a look at some things as it was getting put on, and we'll wrap this one up here in a minute. All right, guys, wanted to talk about this detail for a minute. So underneath the shingles, obviously we have the peel and stick underlayment as well as the synthetic felt underlayment. Then the shingles go on. But here where this wall meets this roof pitch, so first thing is at that seam in the sheathing we have the zip tape down. The roof sheathing is zip sheathing, the wall sheathing is zip sheathing as well, so we tape those together on the seams. On top of that you see right down here, that's the peel and stick underlayment sticking up in a couple spots. But so we ran that peel and stick underlayment up on the wall a little bit, and then on top of that you see this metal flashing. So the metal flashing goes on, and then see on this side we got the zip tape taping the top of that metal flashing to the wall, basically giving us a continuous weather or water barrier from the sheathing. It'll hit that tape and kick out onto the flashing, and then it goes down the valley and off the roof. So we have several layers of protection in all these sort of high risk areas of the roof where the walls are meeting the sheathing. Same thing down here across the front of the house, same sort of setup. So I think we're going to be good. I was sort of worried about that detail, but Beacon Builders, as always, they're knocking it out of the park, and it's going to be awesome. All right, guys, so yeah, that's it. That's the roof. It's on. I'm happy about it. We are bone dry on the inside. Came out during a couple rainstorms we had recently. Make sure there wasn't anything raining down inside. Once that roof got put on, everything's flashed up and everything looks good. So I'm happy with it. Our builder's happy with it. And we're gonna roll on with the next step of the process. So if you wanna see how the insulation comes on, click that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Hope to see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time here at the South Coast Home.